Hello friends, this is Astrologer Mohnish once again, and thank you for watching my videos about Vedic Astrology. In this video, I will be sharing one of the most important concept of Vedic Astrology, which is based on the Kala Chakra. Kala Chakra itself is a wheel of time. This is a process how you can see, or a technique how you can see what are the main planets in your life, in your birth chart are bringing energy inwards, and what are the planets which are taking energy out of your physical body. Now, before I go for the example here and show you how you can see those planets, let me just tell you that this technique is based on the classic Vedic astrology and the major concept of Tantra astrology. Now, Tantra astrology is again the root is coming from the classic Vedic astrology. But in Tantra astrology, the more importance is given to balancing your 7 body energy pools, that's called the chakras. And that makes you more confident, more energetic, more vitality, and more authority in your life. Because when your chakras are balanced, when you have a right balance of the energies inflowing in your physical body, you feel confident, you feel energetic, you feel the presence of that authority inside you, and then you take the right decisions in your life. Those decisions lead to your karmas, to your actions, and then you get the right results out of those decisions. So balancing your aura, balancing the 7 chakras is a Tantra Vidi, which is used in yoga also, tantric meditation also, Hasta Yoga also, and Kundalini awakening also. So this is the technique used in Kala Chakra, Vedic astrology also, that first knowing what are the planets which are bringing energy inward you and what are the planets which are taking energy outside of your body. Now, if you can protect those planets which are bringing energy inside your physical body, you can literally feel so much transformed, so much confident, so much vitality, power, authority, and you will see that your decisions will lead to the right actions, right karmas, and right results. So, as you know, I don't talk much, as I simply go straight into the case scenario and show you how you can see that. So, I'm going to share my screen here and you can see, follow my steps, and you can see in your chart how to see those major planets in your birth chart which will help you balance your aura, your chakras, and bring so much vitality, energy in your life. So I'm sharing my screen here. So step number 1, what you need to do is open your chart. If you have a Jagannath Hora, just open your Jagannath Hora, create your chart. And all you need to do is step number 1. You see where is your moon, which nakshatra your moon is in. In this example, you see today moon is in the Punarvasu nakshatra, and I am born in Punarvasu nakshatra ruled by Jupiter. That's why I am the guru of astrology. And this is a very auspicious day for me also to bring this video in front of you. So moon today, 23rd August 2022, is in the nakshatra of Punarvasu, ruled by Jupiter. In your chart, you just mark this. What is the nakshatra you are born under? Where is your moon? Which particular nakshatra your moon is in? Mark that nakshatra. And then what you need to do is, you need to go to the Kala Chakra. You see the stab, okay, Kala Chakra. This is the wheel of time. Then you right click in here and say fully customized base nakshatra. Pick this option. And then what you do is you pick this second option. No, use the following star as a base instead and bring that nakshatra here from the drop down. You see there are all 27 nakshatras given here. Moon is in Punarvasu nakshatra today in this example. So I am picking Punarvasu from the drop down. In your chart, it could be any nakshatra out of these 27 where the moon is sitting. At the time in the place of your birth, pick that nakshatra and click OK. Now, you see the straight lines? These straight lines are the energy inflow inside you, which is from east direction, north direction, south direction, and west direction. Okay? So you need to understand that the straight lines, which is east, north, south, west, any planet sitting on these lines, these are the planets which are bringing the inflow of energy inside you to balance the chakras or give that vitality, the prana shakti. This round is a prana shakti. the pranas, prana shakti, or the vitality or the force of your life is in this circle. Okay, so I'll come back to the circle. But any planet sitting on these straight lines, like in this example, Moon, Venus, Rahu is sitting here and Ketu sitting here. So these are the 4 planets which are bringing energy inside your physical body. Now you need to guard that. Okay, and when you see these angular lines, these are the Kona houses, the angular lines. This is where the energy is going out through. So this is where the energy is going outwards, okay, from your physical self. So in this example, you see Mercury, Jupiter are sitting in this example on the angular lines. So these are the planets which are taking energy outside of your physical body, which is helping you act and react to a certain situation. So again, what you need to do is open your chart. I'm going to highlight it in green and red. So any planet sitting on east, north, west and south, any planet sitting in here, these are the planets you need to guard. You need to fortify them because they are sending energy inwards you. And the planet sitting on the angular lines, in this case Mercury, Jupiter, there's no planet here, but these angular lines are the energy going outwards. So from the Trikona, energy goes outward, and from the Kendra, energy comes inward. I'm just using the green pen here so that I can highlight it for you. So this is where the energy is coming in. And the circle in between, you see, this is your prana shakti. Normally in Tantra astrology, and I have also followed it, multiple times, the planet sitting in here inside, you can wear a gemstone of those planets. Okay, if those planets are good through nakshatra and sublord, like in my own birth chart, my Jupiter sits inside this circle. This is the circle of Durga, the fortification, the real energy, the prana shakti, and that planet which is sitting inside, and in your case it could be 2 or 3, like an example, we have Sun, Mars, Saturn sitting in here. These are the real strong planets which can literally bring so much transformation, authority, confidence, change, and positivity in your life. So people normally wear the gemstones of these planets which are sitting inside the circle. But for these planets which are sitting in the angular directions, in the straight lines, in the Kendra lines, you need to fortify them. And how you do that? You can sit in this direction, like for in this example, in east direction we have Moon and Venus. You can sit in this direction in the east and you can do the mantra chantings of these planets. Or you can keep the yantras. Yantras are the device, the 12 inches by 12 inches copper plate, gold plated, which has a certain geometrical figures drawn onto it. So you can use those yantras and keep them in this particular direction of your home. Okay? And you can also wear the rudrakshas. Rudrakshas, the beads. See, I'm wearing it on my wrist. You can wear those rudrakshas also of these particular planets when you're sleeping at night to get that positive energy inside you. Okay? So you need, in this example, if I have to give, see what are the major planets, Moon, Venus, Rahu and Ketu. So somebody who is born right now and, we want to see their, the Kala Chakra, we will see that these are the 4 planets which are bringing energy inwards. So I will keep a Rahu yantra, a device of Rahu into north direction, Ketu in south direction, and Moon and Venus in the east direction for that person. Or just simply sit in this direction and chant the mantras for these planets. Or if you cannot chant mantras, cannot have yantras, just wear the rudrakshas or keep those rudrakshas in your home in these particular directions. They will literally help you getting the positive energy in your life. So friends, this is the real technique of Kala Chakra, what has been used from centuries to help people getting the authority, positivity, confidence, and transform their life. If you feel low in your life, if you feel dejected, depressed, fear, or you always have some, wandering mind, or you always think, too much negative fear, that means your chakras are not balanced. Your aura is, presenting so much of the negativity. So you need to balance your chakras. You can do it with yoga, hasta yoga, tantra kriyas, kundalini awakening. But you try this method also. This is the real method because this is the method based on your own chart. In astrology, there's no one size fits all approach. Okay? That's the reason when you listen to other astrologers who talk about you are Virgo, you are this, you are Cancer, you are this, it doesn't matter. Okay? Because what matters to you is based on your chart. Your birth is not a coincidence. It's a mathematical formula which triggers the cosmic formula that give you a new life. So your birth chart is you. You need to understand your soul. You need to understand the planets. What are they saying? What are they talking? What are they bringing? So when you fortify those planets which are bringing energy inside you, you are keeping that energy inside. You're not letting it, the leakages of that energy going outflow with your anxiety, with your prejudice feeling, with your anger feeling, with so much of negativity in your mind. So when you bring that energy inwards, and when you do the mantra chanting, rudrakshas, you're getting the very positive energy. Very, very positive energy from these planets. The purification of energy happens. And then it's storing all inside your chakras. That is a real change. The game changer is all about your software, how it is working inside you, not the hardware of your physical body. Your hardware, the physical body is just reacting to the situation. The software inside your brain, which is being governed by the 7 chakras, is what actually make you a person, make you feel like a man or an animal or a beast, or your positivity, your negativity, whatever the actions you take. If you feel so much prejudice, anger, negativity, fear, you need to work on your software. And that software can only be fixed by understanding how astrology works and how you can change, transform your life. You cannot change your hardware, what the God has given you, but software, which is your mind, your brain, your chakras, your vitality, your force of your life, you can transform it anytime, the day you want to transform. And I am your Jyotish Mohnish. If you're watching my videos, my subscribers, or you like my videos, my blessings will always be with you. I assure you this, that you are doing good karmas by learning something new, and I'm doing good karmas by putting this information in front of you unconditionally. We are karmically aligned together. I'm giving you the information, you are the seeker of that information. So if you like this video, please press like or subscribe to my channel. My blessings will always remain with you, and I'll help you whenever you need me the most. Once again, this is Astrologer Mohnish. I'll see you in my next video very soon. I'll bring some new topic for you to learn about the Jyotish, about the astrology, and how this divine science can change, transform your life forever. Thanks once again for watching my videos.